This one.
Still alive?
This one is still up there.
Still alive?
This one. No, that one. That one. He was breathing a little while ago.
Oh my God.
He was breathing a
If
little
there's
while ago.
any that have a chance, I can take them and rescue them.
You want to rescue him?
I could.
I think you're a bit too late. You want to rescue
Well,
they're dead. You can take them.
not all of them are
You
dead.
want to rescue them? You better go to that dumpster.
Really?
Yeah, it's a whole bunch of them motherfuckers.
Alive? Alive? No, I'm talking about alive.
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
Any?
Hey, Yomi. Well, I'm thinking about you trying to take them back to life. Put them back to life.
Can't do that. I'm not God, right? All right, thank you. Have a good day.